Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our beginner series, and today we will start with a new playlist. We will make a manual clamp so we can start in mechanical design and part design, and we can call this part clamp foot pin, and let's click on OK. Now let's select our YX plane, and on this plane we can sketch our circle, and let's say 6 millimeters. Okay, this is our circle. We can extrude this, so exit workbench, and with our pad we can say 25 millimeters. Preview and OK. Now we need a hole, and so selecting the surface we can click on the hole icon here, and we can realize a hole, let's say up to the next, but we want of course there is a problem with our circle here, as you can see, but we want as a type a threaded hole, and as type we want a metric thick pitch. Let's select for example M4. Okay, and as thread depth we can select 25. Let's click on preview. Okay, and now we need to fix the center of our hole, so we can select these different elements, and as always we can say concentricity, and let's click on OK. Exit workbench, and we can click OK. Now we can select this edge here and this, and we can apply a chamfer, and let's say as a length 1 millimeters and as angle 45 degree. Let's click on preview to match, let's say 0.5, and let's click on OK. Okay, yes. And now let's color that in with, I should say, a blue electric. We can use our paint, and let's select oil blue. We can select our part body, apply material, and let's click on OK. We can hide our plane, so selecting the plane with right click, hide and show. And now we can save our file, save as clamp foot pin, save, yes. And this is our first part. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share, support, and so on. See you soon.